Last video I made, I show you guys how to create PayPal accounts even if you are from restricted countries just like Nigeria here now, whereby it's a big challenge for us to open PayPal account, or not to talk of withdrawing from PayPal account. And watching that video, I believe many of you have your PayPal account now. So I promised that video that I want to show you how to link your bank card, how to withdraw from PayPal account, and how to get US bank account and many others like that. So if you're very new to my YouTube channel, please do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button. And if you are watching me from Facebook or other social media, make sure you follow my page, give me a like on this video. So guys, let's go. Here is where we end up the video I was making on creating PayPal accounts. So what next is just to link our bank card and bank accounts to this so that we can able to withdraw from PayPal. If you remember, this is where I showed you that we have to click on, right? Now let me show you first method I want to give you now, because I want to give you two means of withdrawing from PayPal. The first one is this place. You have to click here, pay and get paid. When you click on it, then the next thing is to click here. You see banks and cards, click here. Now the next thing to do is to scroll down. Come here, scroll down. Now you see the option. You have option to add your bank account details. That's US bank account details. You add it here, right? The second option now is to link your credit or debit card. So click here. I want to start from here first. Click here. Oh great. Now the next thing is to put your card details here. Debit or credit card numbers. You have to put it here. If it's Nigeria here now, I think the debit card is 16 digits, right? You put it here. Then here you select the type of card you want to use. Is it Visa, Mastercard, or American Express, Discover, or which one? So you will select. Now the expiry date of the card, you put it here. Then the security code, that is the 3-digit number at the back of your ATM card, then you put it here. Now your address will be here, right? Then click on link card. That will be the next thing. Meanwhile, many of you will be wondering, how will you get card to use? This is not usual card you are using. You should get USD card. That is what you should get. So I would advise you, if you are from Nigeria watching me here now, go to bank, go and open domiciliary account. That is USD account. Then from there now, you're able to process your card. They will give you your card. The one I'm using personally here now, I'm using UBA Africard. You can go to any UBA bank and tell them you want to get UBA Africard, just like this one you are seeing here. This is my card. So I've been using it with my own PayPal account. I have to remove it because I want to use it to train you. So I'll go to my own PayPal account now to show you how I will link up this card again. So let's go, guys. So here is my PayPal homepage, right? Now I'll come to this pay and get pay, then click here. Now I click on banks and cards. Now from here, the same way, I think you remember now. So we are still leaving this one for now. I'm still coming to that. All right, that is when we'll be talking about US bank accounts or whatever. So don't worry. Now come to this place, click on link a card. So let me quickly fill up this now, and when done, I will click on link card. So everything was done when I now realized that I've not on the screen recorder. So let me quickly show you how I did it. Right now, come here, click on this link a card, because I tried to remove this card, but I think they don't allow me to able to remove it for now. Now you just click on this link a card as usual. Now then from here you fill up the information, put the 16-digit number here, then select the type of card. If it's that UB Africa like the one I'm using, that's a Visa card, right? And it depends on the kind of card you are given. Just make sure it's USD card. Then put the expiration date and put the security code, that's a 3-digit number at the back of your card. Then the address, leave your address there by default. Then now click on link card. That's all. So now when done, you see how it appear here now. The debit I think $1. Okay, the debit 1.05 US dollars from my card, from that my UBA card. So make sure that that card you're using, you fund the card, just put little amount of money there. So when done with this now, I see this, they say confirm your card. So let me click on this again. Now when I click on it, I have to put this now, confirm your card. So I'll click on this, confirm your card. Look for a small charge on your card. After you requested the code, we'll charge 1.95 to your card. It usually appears within 5 to 7 business days. After you confirm it, we'll refund the amount. Okay, so that's what they want to do. They will charge this amount of money for my card and they will refund the money. So that's what they want to do. So now let me click on get a code. A code is on its way. It should appear on your card statement within 5 to 7 business days. So click on done. So I'll be expecting the code now. They say check your card statement for the code. Enter the code. I think I got a message now. I don't know. So when gotten the code now, I will just click here, enter the code to confirm your card. Check your card statement for the code. Enter the code to confirm your card, and we will lift your spending or withdrawal limit. So the purpose of this is just to lift our spending and withdrawal limit. That is just all. Now coming to my email, I see that I have received some messages from PayPal. The first one is this, because I linked that card. You know, I told you they charge $1.05, right? So and look at the balance. Now look at the second one. Now when I try to do confirmation for that card so that they can do what is it now, to lift the spending and withdrawal limit from the card. So they charge me how much? Maybe $2 US or such. And look at this. And I said, look at the code BP602. Code is this, something like that. Now let me try. Let me see what will happen with this. Now let me say, come here. I'll click on enter the code to confirm the card. Let's see what will happen. All right. So something like this. So I need to put the code. I think I've been given the code. Now let me enter the code here. Let me enter the code because they show me sample, and I think I saw something like PP something here. Great, this is the code. So this is the code they want. Look at it now. They say we charge $1.95 to your card. To confirm your card, enter the 4-digit code that appears on your card activity next to the charge amount. 4-digit code. Now come to this place now. I'm seeing 4 code here. 6024. So let me come here and put it here as 6024. Now click on confirm. Your bank card prepaid has been confirmed. Done. This thing happened within few minutes. Now I can spend without limit. I can withdraw without limit. Everything done immediately within 3 minutes now. Within even 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, I received the message. I received everything done perfectly. So I close it. Now look at my account now. See, it's no more there that to confirm my account. So they only charged me, like first one was 1.05 USD, while the second one is 2. So like 3.05 US dollars will cost me now to get all these things done positive successful. So it cost me like how much 3.05 US dollars to make this thing done successfully. So I think I'm good to go now. Now let me show you the second one here now. Linking of a card, of a bank account. You can also link more card. See, you see option here now, link card. You can still link more card here. So now come to this place now. I want to link bank account. Now click on this bank account. Now from here, look at it now. We want to put our, you see now, link a US bank account. But let me go to, this one is Lesotho own. This one was the one I opened that time when I made the first video. This was how I got the accounts. The first video I make on creating paper account using Lesotho. The same way I used to open this my own account, and since then till now I'm enjoying account. I have withdrawn several times through this account and send money to people through this same account. But many people now, new people now are complaining that they are having problem. They block their account, they ban their account using that step. So that's why I'm using this Argentina step for you guys. So let me go back to account I newly created now to show you adding of the bank card step by step guide. So let's go. So if you follow through here now, we can click on choose a bank from here, or we can say here we should click on pay and get paid, then click on bank and card. So let me click on this bank and card. Then from here now you can click on this link a bank. I have trained you about this. You don't have problem. You know how to do yourself with this now. That's not a problem. Now link a bank. Now click here. Now the same way you can also click here. From here, just click on this choose your bank. Just the same way you will arrive to the same place. I is now saying now we are arriving to the same place. So they want us to put our account with Argentina now, Argentina bank account, but we don't have. But I can give you means of getting bank account with US. Now look at it, they give us option like link a US bank instead. So they make it possible for us that if you don't have account with Argentina, right, you can use US of course. Now click on this link a US bank instead. Now from here we are arriving to the same place. Just like my own. Let me show you my own. You see my own also. Just like my own is just so direct. My own is Lesotho paper. So this one I'm showing you here now is Argentina paper. So now how are we going to get US bank account? That's what I want to show you now. Then before we move on to the US on linking of a US bank account to our paper, let me talk about withdrawing using your dollar card. I've shown you how to get your dollar card. You can get your dollar card through DOM account, opening DOM account with any bank here in Nigeria, or that's not a problem anyways, because I've told you how to get those things. Or go to UBA, get UBA Africa card. You can go to any bank. They have different means of getting USD accounts, so that's not a problem. Now how will you now withdraw? Now when you get money in your paper account now, you withdraw to your dollar card. So when we withdraw to your dollar card now, you can easily go to bank and cash out the money in US dollar, or use the card to do or to make payments online. Or there are many ways you just go to bank, you withdraw your money, so that's not a problem. Let me quickly show you how to withdraw here. Let me show you how to withdraw here first before I will now show you about US bank account stuff. Let's go. So look at my home page here now. You can just click on this send money. So click on this send money. Then from here now you can click on transfer to, is it to your bank or to the card? Now click on this link a debit card. Then the same way we did the first one, just put your card details here. That is where I want to send money to. Put your card details here. That's all. Then click on link card. That's all. Now let's continue with this now. We have to put our USD account here now. You can use Clever also to get your foreign account. Just come to this account. Click here. Then from here now click on account details. You can see I've withdrawn some money from here. Many. I can still click on show all. You see many that I have withdrawn from here. Now click on account details. Now from here now you see, now look at my account details. Now I have my foreign account. Look at it now. Bank, that's the West Fargo Bank. You see account number. Now they request for what here? Let me show you. They want routing number and account number. Now let me show you my routing number and account number. Account number is this, routing number is this, and account type is what? Checking. Come here. What is this? Checking. It's not savings, it's checking. That is one, right? Now fill up everything and click on link your bank. Another method is this. You can use Payoneer also. Then click on this balance. I have zero balance here, or click on get paid. So let me click on this. Then from here click on get bank account details. Now I want to get, I have UK account, I have US account. Let me use US own. Now click on this. Now you see I have my what's the name of the bank? Say First Century factory bank, this is routing number, and this is account number. Account type is also checking. So guys, I have like two options I've given you now to get, and there are just many. And if you want to send money to people, you know, at times people, we used to sell paper fund for people. They will pay to your account, you send them fund. This is how to do it. Now this is the home page, right? The next thing now is to click on send money. It's not transfer money. If it's transfer money, then that means you want to send to bank account or bank card. But this one now, you want to send paper to another paper account. So you click on this send money here. Now when you click on send money, then you have to put the person's either name or username or email or phone number the person used to open paper. So let me use this person. Then, you know, I want to send to this account, this newly created paper account. So, and the email I use for this account now, I want to use that email now. That's the email I will put here. So let me paste the email here. So this is the email now. I'll click on send to this. You see now, you know that account now, it does not have profile. So I will now put the amount out there. I will continue with this now. Send the money. So guys, I have made a special video for you that have interest in having US account. You don't know how to get US bank account. I have a video on that. Only maybe you have not watched the video before. I want to give you a link to go and watch the video. There's one here and this is another video. These two video are very important. The two videos here. Go and watch those videos. Then you will thank me later. Please drop your comments. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.